Alright guys, so we got a 3500 Cummins Turbo Diesel Ram. It's for sale. Now this is crazy work truck, as you guys can see. This truck is huge. So it's for sale. If you guys are interested, DM me. Again, give you guys a straight figure mag price. Can't be beat. Crazy dually. Alright guys, not gonna make this video too long. Just want you guys to see it. It's also got the cable in here. I forgot what you call these things, winch or something like that. So you guys won't get stuck. But yeah, got the spotlights on the top. Ready to go, guys. If you guys are interested, DM me. Peace.